Hi guys, welcome back to SA Kicks and Reviews. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the mini superpower turbojet fan. So this is the box. As you can see, there's icons for various uses of this mini air blower fan, and that's how the box looks. Bear in mind guys that there are many versions of these mini air blowers made. However, this is the one I'm doing a review on for you guys. So we open the box and we can see a user manual. It's quite a long user manual explaining in detail every part of operating this mini air blower, safety precautions as well. This is the charger cable it comes with. There's no head, just a normal Type-C charger to USB on one end. These are the attachment guys. So it looks like it comes with 5 different attachment heads depending on what you're cleaning or the dust particles that you're blowing away. So these would be most useful for those specific tasks. So 5 attachment heads, and this is the air blower guys. Alright, there's nothing else in the box. That's all there is in there. Okay, so as we can see guys, this definitely has a good weight to it. You can see it has the word mini there on the top. Also shows the side that the air blows out of. There's some writing on the handle. There's some information at the back with power information, etc. That's your Type-C charger port. So this mini air blower has 4 levels of power guys. I'm going to take you through all 4. As you can see, that's the first one there. That sounds quite powerful guys. That's your suction on one end and a blower at the other. As you can see, the suction there. So that's the first speed. That's the second speed guys. That's your third speed. And now when we press it again, it's going to go off. And now you press and hold, a long press and hold to activate the fourth. That was the final speed guys. That's your fourth speed. As you can see, pretty powerful guys. So I'm going to show you how to put on the attachment head. It only goes onto the blower side guys, not the suction. This is just a blower. You just slide it in and turn or twist, and as you can see, that will blow according to those attachment heads. So that's if you want to get into places that are hard to reach, like your keyboard or your computer keyboard, a cell phone, a camera, any electronics that are hard to get to guys. Okay, this one is a little bit bigger. This can be used for much more bigger devices for cleaning purposes. As you can see on the 4th speed, that is quite powerful guys. I'm testing all of these attachments on the 4th speed. That is quite powerful guys. As you can see, when putting on the attachment, all you need to do is slot in and twist. I just want to show you how the Type-C charger cable slots in. Very easy. Doesn't come with a charger head guys, as I've said. Only comes with the cable. Definitely an excellent buy guys. I would really recommend you getting this air blower to dust out your electronics or for cleaning purposes.